In this session, let us learn about Python, MongoDB, get started. Python, MongoDB. Python can be used in database applications. One of the most popular NoSQL database is MongoDB. MongoDB stores data in JSON like documents, which makes the database very flexible and scalable. To be able to experiment with the code examples in this tutorial, you will need access to a MongoDB database. You can download a free MongoDB database at https://www.mongodb.com or get started right away with a MongoDB cloud service at the link given. PyMongo. Python needs a MongoDB driver to access the MongoDB database. In this tutorial, we will learn use the MongoDB driver PyMongo. We recommend that you use pip to install PyMongo. Pip is most likely already installed in your Python environment. Navigate your command line to the location of pip and type the following: download and install PyMongo. See, this is the download method, python-m pip install PyMongo. Now you have downloaded and installed a MongoDB driver. Test PyMongo. To test if the installation was successful or if you already have PyMongo installed, create a Python page with the following content: MongoDB_test_py. If this page is executed with no errors, you have the PyMongo module installed. See, import PyMongo. If the above code was executed with no errors, PyMongo is installed and ready to use. Okay friends, this is the end of part 1, Python MongoDB get started. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Python MongoDB create database. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.